Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to DPS online classes. I am your teacher Rubab Athar, and today I am here with you to teach subject math. Dear students, as you know, maths is the world of numbers. There are so many numbers in it, and in our daily life we have to calculate so many items, so many objects, and sometimes it becomes so difficult for us. But today our topic is related to count the objects with easy and quick method. That's why our today's topic is about multiplication. Dear students, our today's objectives are: you will be able to learn the multiples of 4 and 5, to multiply the numbers with 4 and 5, and understand the word problems and solve it. Our today's content is related to multiples of 4 and 5, multiplication of numbers with 4 and 5, and word problems. My dear students, first of all, I will have to introduce with the symbol of multiplication. You have saw this symbol so many times. This is the multiplication sign. This is like a cross. Dear students, first of all, I will deliver you the concept of multiplication. Multiplication is the quick way to count. Multiplication का जो टॉपिक है उसमें हम देखेंगे कि कैसे हम चीज़ों को आसान और जल्दी से काउंट कर सकते हैं. As you can see here, there are 2 chocolates in this picture, and there are 2 more chocolates in this picture, and there are 2 more chocolates in this picture. There are so many chocolates here. If we will have to count these chocolates one by one, it makes too difficult and it takes so much time for it. That's why we will use the term multiplication here. As you can see, if we will add the objects one by one, we will have to add 2 with 2, and we will add 2 more in it, and then it makes 6. But if we will use the term multiplication in it, can you tell me how many times 2 are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 times 2, 6. Dear students, if you will have to count these objects one by one, it takes so much time. And if you will use the multiplication term, you will simply write that there are 3 2's. 3 times 2's, you can see here 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 6. 3 times 2 makes 6. You can also write it as 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. We will read the table of 2 up to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6 chocolates. Dear students, as you have seen that in multiplication we will read the tables. Multiplications में हमें table read करना होता है. Similarly, today we will read the table of 4 and 5 and solve the sums. Firstly, our segment is multiplication of 4. So we will review the table of 4 here. Read it with me. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, and 4 10s makes 40. Dear students, you already have learned the table of 4, and today we will use these multiples of 4 in our questions. Our question number 1 is, how many legs 4 tables have? Dear students, अगर आपको कोई पूछे कि यहाँ पर आपके पास 4 टेबल्स हैं, आप मुझे ये बताएं कि इन टेबल्स की टोटल कितनी लेग्स हैं, तो आप उनके पास इंडिविजुअली जाकर टेबल की लेग्स काउंट तो नहीं कर सकते. इट मेक्स टू हार्ड एंड इट ऑल्सो टेक्स so much time. So you will simply count that how many legs one table have and then multiply that digit with total number of objects. As you can see that there are 4 legs of this table, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will write the digit 4 and how many objects, how many tables are there now? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4 tables. So that we will multiply the digit 4 with 4. हम 4 का टेबल 4 तक रीड करेंगे और जो आंसर हमारा आएगा वो हमारा टोटल नंबर ऑफ लेग्स हो जाएंगी इन टेबल्स की. 4 4s are 16. There are total 16 legs. You can count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are total 16 legs. 4 का टेबल आप 4 तक रीड करेंगे तो ये काम आपका और जल्दी और आसान तरीके से हो जाएगा. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मैनी लेग्स 3 elephants have? Can you help me to solve this sum? Very good. First of all, we will count how many elephants are there. How many elephants are there? 1, 2 and 3. There are total 3 elephants. And how many legs each elephant have? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And each elephant has 4 legs. That means we will multiply 3 with 4. We will read the table of 4 up to 3. It makes 12. Dear students, our next question is 7 multiplied by 4. That means कि हमें 4 का टेबल 7 तक रीड करना होगा. तो आप रीड करके बताएं यहाँ पर क्या आंसर आएगा. 4 7s are 28. And our next question is 4 multiplied by 0. Dear students, now you will have to tell me that if 0 has any value or not. Very good. In this question 0 has no value. कि अगर हम 4 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा. Our answer will be 0. If we will multiply any digit with 0, it makes the total value 0. Our next segment is multiplication of 5. In this segment, we will multiply the digit 5 with the different numbers. First of all, before starting this segment, we will read the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. We will use the multiples of 5. Our question number 1 is, how many fingers 3 hands have? As you can see, there are 3 hands and each hand have 5 fingers. You also have a hand. So count it. How many fingers are there in your hand? I will count with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we will apply the term multiplication here, it makes easy for us to count how many fingers in 3 hands. So we will read it as 3 times 5 is equals to 15. We will read the table of 5 up to 3 and then what will be our answer? 5 3s are 15. It means there are total 15 fingers. There are total 2 baskets. How many baskets are there? 2. Very good. And each basket have 5 eggs, you can see and also count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many eggs each basket have? 5. Now our question is how many eggs in 2 baskets? एक बास्केट में अगर 5 eggs हैं तो 2 baskets में टोटल कितने eggs हो जाएंगे? Can you help me? Do you have any idea? How many eggs are there? We will perform multiplication here. We will perform multiplication of 5 with 2. As you can see, first of all we write the object number. कि यहाँ पर हमारे पास कितने टोटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं. हमारे पास यहाँ टोटल कितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स नज़र आ रहे हैं आपको? यहाँ पर टोटल 2 बास्केट्स हैं. So we will write 2 here and then write the symbol of multiplication here and then how many eggs each basket have. How many eggs each basket have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each basket have 5 eggs. That's why we will write the digit 5 here. And then read the table of 5 up to 2. 5 का टेबल हम 2 तक रीड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर जो है वो आ जाएगा. You know 5 2s are 10. Very good. So that there are total 10 eggs in these baskets. Dear students, our next question is 4 5s are. That means कि आपको 5 का टेबल 4 तक रीड करना है. 5 का टेबल अगर हम 4 तक रीड करेंगे तो हमारा क्या आंसर आएगा? Read the table and solve this sum. 5 4s are 20. You have learned the multiplication. Similarly, our next question is 5 multiplied with 0. What will be our answer? मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि 0 जो है उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. That's why अगर हम किसी भी डिजिट को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो our answer will be 0. It means कि ओवरऑल आंसर हमारा जो है वो 0 हो जाएगा, वो नंबर 0 हो जाएगा. Dear students, our next segment is word problem. Word problem number 1. Before we start the word problems, I have to tell you something that word problem is the segment in which I will provide you a statement and you will understand that statement and then solve the sum related to it. Before we start the word problems, I have to tell you something that in word problems related to multiplication, there you will provided with these each and all together. Dear students, आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन जब रिक्वायर्ड होगी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में तो आपको ये 2 वर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे, ईच एंड ऑल टुगेदर. आपको ये बात लर्न कर लेनी है कि अगर स्टेटमेंट में ईच और ऑल टुगेदर पूछा हो तो आपने वहाँ पर मल्टीप्लिकेशन परफॉर्म करनी है. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस सम. देयर आर 9 चेयर्स इन अ क्लासरूम विद 4 legs ईच. हमारे पास एक क्लासरूम है जिसमें 9 चेयर्स हैं और हर चेयर की 4 legs हैं. देयर आर 9 चेयर्स इन अ क्लासरूम विद 4 legs ईच. हाउ मैनी legs ऑल द चेयर्स हैव ऑल टुगेदर. अब आपको ये बताना है कि उन 9 चेयर्स की टोटल legs कितनी हो जाएंगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करेंगे कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स काउंट करेंगे. कैसे? Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total number of objects are 9. And now you will tell me how many legs each chair have. there are 4 legs each. That makes the question 9 multiplied by 4. Read the table and solve the sum. 4 nines are 36. It means there are 36 legs. Dear students, our word problem number 2 is there are 5 apple trees in Sami's garden. समी के गार्डन में 5 एप्पल ट्रीज हैं. Each tree has 5 apples on it. हर ट्री पर टोटल 5 एप्पल्स जो हैं वो आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं. How many apples are there altogether? अब आपको ये बताना है कि इन 5 ट्रीज पर टोटल कितने एप्पल्स हैं. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि आपको स्टेटमेंट में ईच और ऑल टुगेदर दोनों वर्ड्स प्रोवाइडेड हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाउ मेनी टोटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are total 5 apple trees. So we will write digit 5 here. And then how many apples each tree have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are total 5 apples on each tree. That's why we will write the digit 5 here. Now we will read the table of 5 up to 5. Very good. 5 5s are 25. It means there are total 25 apples. Dear students, it's time for recapitulation. As you can see, there is a tree in this picture. So our question is related to this picture. There are 9 honeycombs on a tree. एक ट्री पर 9 honeycomb हैं. Each has 5 honeybees in it. How many honeybees are there altogether? अब आपको ये बताना है कि टोटल हनी बीज कितनी है इन कॉम्स में. टोटल हनी बीज आपको काउंट करके बतानी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करते हैं, हम टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स देखते हैं. देयर आर 9 हनी कॉम्स ऑन अ ट्री. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर 9 एंड देन वी राइट द डिजिट 5 बिकॉज हमारे पास एक हनी कॉम्ब में 5 हनी बीज रह रही हैं. सो we will read the table of 5 up to 9. आपको 5 का टेबल 9 तक रीड करना होगा और आपका आंसर जो है वो आ जाएगा. It means 5 9s are 45. It's time for your assessment. As you can see in this picture, there are 2 pots. In this garden, there are 2 pots and each pot have 4 flowers in it. And your question is count the flowers in 2 pots. Solve the sum. Very good. You will first of all write down the number of objects here. So first of all we will write down the digit 2 and then there are 4 flowers in each pot. 1, 2, 3, 4 and that's why we will write the digit 4 here and apply the sign of multiplication between them and then read the table of 4 up to 2. 4 2s are very good. 4 2s are 8. That means there are total 8 flowers in these pots. Well done dear students. You have learned the multiplication with 4 and 5. Now it's time for your homework. 8 multiplied by 4. Your question number 1 is 8 multiplied by 4. That means कि आपको 4 का टेबल 8 तक रीड करना है और आपको यहाँ पर आंसर फाइंड करना है. Our next question is 6 multiplied by 5. हमें 5 का टेबल 6 तक रीड करना है और हमारा आंसर जो है वो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. Our question number 3 is 7 multiplied by 5. आपको 5 का टेबल 7 तक रीड करना है और जो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा उसे आप यहाँ पर राइट कर देंगे. Our question number 4 is 6 multiplied by 4। 6 को आप 4 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो आपका आंसर होगा उसे आप यहाँ पर राइट कर देंगे। आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ अ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम। यहाँ पर आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टेटमेंट को अंडरस्टैंड करना है और देन आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है। हाउ मैनी लेग्स 5 cats हैव? हाउ मैनी लेग्स 5 cats हैव? आपको पता है कि यहाँ पर टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स 5 आपको गिवन है और ईच कैट हैव हाउ मैनी लेग्स, ये आपको पता है कि एक कैट की टोटल 4 लेग्स होती हैं। सो वी विल राइट द डिजिट 4 हेयर एंड अप्लाई द साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन बिटवीन दैम और आप 4 का टेबल 5 तक रीड करेंगे और आपका आंसर यहाँ पर आ जाएगा। गुड लक डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। See you soon, inshallah. Stay home, stay safe.